Hands-on, Dyson V11 Cordless Vacuum Review. This vacuum sucks really well. After releasing the Cyclone V10 cordless vacuum in 2018, Dyson stopped making corded models entirely, demonstrating its confidence in cordless stick vacuum cleaner. 1 year later, Dyson has launched the V11, which according to the company, boasts 20% more suction power, as well as a handy LCD screen that displays the remaining runtime and machine performance in real time. So, was Dyson right to ditch the cordless vacuum? We spent a short time with the V11 read-on for our initial thoughts. Price and availability. Starting at $599.95/$499.99/$1,099, the Dyson V11 certainly doesn't come cheap, but here's where things get a little complicated. Dyson has elected to launch different models and prices in the US, Europe, and Australia, so for simplicity, we've outlined the prices and availability of each model by territory below. United States. In the US, you can get 2 different models of the new cordless vacuum. Both come with the new high-torque cleaner head, more on that later, and a range of additional cleaning accessories. The cheapest is the $599.95 Dyson V11 Animal, which comes with 7 additional accessories but doesn't include the LCD display screen. US customers can also get the Dyson V11 Torque Drive, which comes with 8 additional accessories and the LCD display screen for $699.95. This is the model we tested for this hands-on review. United Kingdom. UK customers will also be able to choose from 2 versions of the V11. Both come with the LCD screen, but only the more expensive model has the Torque Drive cleaner head. The cheapest model available in the UK is the Dyson V11 Animal, which comes with 8 additional accessories but doesn't have the Torque Drive cleaner head. This model costs £499.99. If you want the Torque Drive cleaner head, you'll have to pay £100 more for the Dyson V11 Absolute. Australia. Australian customers have even more choice, with 3 different models of the V11 up for grabs. All 3 come with the Torque Drive cleaner head and LED display screen, differing in terms of the included cleaning accessories. The Dyson V11 Torque Drive costs $1,099 and comes with no additional accessories, while the Dyson V11 Absolute costs $1,199 and includes a soft roller head for cleaning delicate hard floors. Lastly, you have the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro, which costs $1,249, and comes with a soft roller head, an extension hose, a mattress cleaning tool, and a flexible crevice tool for getting into all those nooks and crannies around your home. Design. The Dyson V11 looks very similar to its predecessor, the V10, with a sleek, stick-style build that should look fairly unobtrusive in most homes when slotted into the wall-mounted charging dock. Like the V10, the new Dyson V11 features an inline configuration where the motor, bin, and cyclone array are all aligned, meaning air is drawn into the cyclones in a straight line, which Dyson says creates powerful Dyson suction. Another similarity is the front-facing barrel, where you can attach your cleaning accessories directly. New to the V11, however, is the ability to clip your accessories onto the vacuum itself, a useful touch if you find you often lose attachments or forget to use them on hard-to-reach areas of your home. Behind the barrel you'll find the V11's cyclone array, which consists of 14 cyclones in total. Dyson says that they generate forces of more than 79,000 grams to fling microscopic particles into the bin, including pollen and bacteria. The bin itself has changed as well, and is 40% bigger than that of the V10, which means you can go for longer between emptying it out. The biggest change to the design of the new V-Series vacuum is the inclusion of an LED display on the top of the barrel. The display itself is bright and colorful, and with crisp images that displays your selected vacuuming mode and the remaining runtime. Features and performance. With any cordless vacuum, battery life is a huge consideration after all. How annoying would it be to run out of juice halfway through cleaning the stairs? To address this, the Dyson V11 has 3 different battery modes: Auto Mode, Boost Mode,